this course. Okay, part design and shape design. Okay, and surface. Actually, there are many levels: basic level, intermediate, as well as advanced. Okay, and also assembly model as well. Okay. So this thing that I would like to mention, right? First, okay. So next, you see, last week, you see, look at this one. You see, you learn how to create plane, right? Okay, you learn how to create plane. Actually, there are many option for creating plane, right? Parallel to point, right? Angle normal to plane, right? 2-3 point, right? The concept, if you have three point, you can create unique plane anyway. Okay. There are many options of how to create plane, which you have to use a lot actually when you do more complicated part. Okay. You already studied about pad, right? Pad and pocket. Last week I will also show you how to do sharp design, right? Sharp or level, right? And we have other than sharp, we have another one is groove. Groove is opposite to sharp. Okay? And we do have rip command, right? Rip. You have profile and center curve, right? Rip. Opposite of rip is groove. And no, it's slot. Opposite of rip is slot. Anyway, slot is not in here, right? You look at this one, slot is not in here. Where's the slot? Slot is inside this model. This one, model. And you see lip here and you see slot there as well. Okay, slot. Okay? You see, I will show you, right? Rip and slot. As well as I show you also multi-section solid, right? You have multi-section, right? Different cross-section, and you want to create solid from those sections. Sections can be more than 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, right? You can do your multi-section. Opposite of multi-section or cut out, there is another one. You see, remove multi-section solid. This one is for the opposite of the multi-section. Multi-section to create. Remove is for cut out, right? This one. Okay, so that's another thing that you need to understand so that you can use to create workshop number 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, this one. Okay, there's another one here that I would like to mention, and it's also very powerful anyway. Sometimes you look at this one, solid combine. You see this one, solid combine. What does it mean by solid combine? Let's see if I have two cross section. Let's say. Let me create this one. Let me create. You see, sketch. If you have profile here, I use spine. Look at it. I would like to say something about spine. Spine curve. You see, there is a control point. You see, your control point, and they make curve smooth, passing to all those control points, right? If you want to stop, you just double click. If you forgot or forget to double click, you just use escape key as well. You can use escape key as well. Okay? So look at this one, you see you can move, right? And control point, you can move control point. If you select control point, you see the blue color there. You can move this one, okay? See? Move the curve very, very smooth anyway. Okay. If you want to add point or delete point, you can also delete control point and add control point as well. Look at this one. If I double click this one, you see, double click, you see point 1, point 2, point 3. You see, now we are in point 1. Right? Look at this one, point 1. You go point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. Right? Look at this one. Alright? If you want to delete this point, you can go there and you just delete this one. It's gone. Okay? If you want to add point after this one, let's say you have control point here, you want to add point, you can also add this one and select this one and add point. You see, you can add point. Okay? And also you see, look at this one, it's not closed, right? You can close profile as well. Okay, you look at this one, you want to close profile, you close, make it smooth. Close profile, right? Sometimes if you create this one, let's say if I create this more profile, see, if I use the button mouse, there is a close profile over there as well. This command close, have this close as well. Okay, see, so this is a close. Okay, let me move this one. Okay, let's say if you have this profile, and I also have another profile, this one. Let's say I create another cross section, perpendicular to the first one. Okay, let me draw this one, another profile. Some profile anyway. It can be another profile. It can be a circle, ellipse, whatever. It might have to be close anyway. Let's see. Let's say you have these two profile. You have these two profile. You want to create profile, object from these two cross profile. Okay, actually this one is not good. Actually it has to be the same. Okay, look at this one. Let's say if I want to create solid based on these two cross section, right? It's something like that. If you have this cross section, you just pad, right? You just pad. And this one also, let's say if I do this one. See, if I pad this one, you see, look at this. You pad this one, right? And also the other side as well, you have pad as well, right? So if you pad this two, let's see, if you pad this one, okay? Let me select this one. I pad this one, let's say. Okay, I pad this one. I pad this one as well. Okay, let's see if I pad this one as well. Okay, so you have these two solid, right? If you intersect these two, you have inside, right? You intersect this one, these two, you're gonna have inside. Right? In that case, if you want to do this one, you can use solid combine. Delete this one. Okay. If you use solid combine instead, you have two cross section, right? Solid combine, use this one, right? First profile, let's say this is my first profile. Second profile, right? This one, direction. Let's say normal, okay. Second profile, this one, normal as well. You see? Boom. You see? You can have intersection of those two paths. Right? This one. It's very powerful anyway. It's very useful in this case. UV file when you have problem. I mean, some examples. This is another powerful tools. Anyway, okay. So this solid combine. Okay. The other one that I would like to mention, you see, inside this model, essential as well. You see, you have this one. You have another one is grip command. I mean, stiffener. Stiffener. What is it mean by stiffener? What it mean by stiffener? It make your angle more stiff. Let's say if I have this one. Let's see if I have this. Let me draw some this one.